On March 24, a rape victim Yatim contacted Marcus TV USA office in Islamabad. She was kept as a sex slave by a Saudi diplomat high official. She stated she was entrapped by an agent for a Saudi diplomat on an Instagram app which is popular among girls and boys as young as 8 years old. In the advertisement by an agent named Assis Sunny, the job was in the diplomatic enclave at a Saudi embassy. The victim's father died 2004, leaving behind a family of yatim, was searching for a job and vulnerable to a trap, but from a religious family. She was suspicious of the high salary of 200,000 rupees. The agent had her talk to Saudi embassy diplomat on Instagram. She is trusted not only a diplomat but Saudi, the guardians of the house of Allah. Arriving at the gate of the diplomatic enclave, she was picked up by the diplomatic driver and took her to a diplomatic house instead of the embassy. There she was kept as a sex slave where diplomat raped her at a gunpoint. She tried to scream and the diplomatic looked upset, and this time he said the SHO did not provide her a cooperative girl. She pleaded, "My father died years ago and mother is very sick. I need to go and visit her." After weeks of pleading, the Saudi diplomat let her go to return back and get her clothes and her phone, which he kept both, and said, "I paid lots of money to the SHO for you." Who was the Saudi diplomat and who was the SHO, and how many police officials are involved in selling yatim girls to the diplomats? Where is the girl? We asked the police officials, we asked the Saudi embassy, and we are unable to find her. Is the girl dead? So many questions, no answers. Subscribe and like and stay tuned for the next episode, which is going to have some explosive discoveries.